Elegance is jumping on the neon trend with the new summer Buttercream collection Forever 80s, and they have put together these 6 new shades infused with all the passion of this iconic decade. Vibrant neons combined with softer neutrals will wake that inner 80s party girl or boy and encourage you to feel wild and free. Everything about the 80s were totally bitchin', and if the 80s were a color, here you go. A creamy, bold pink. Not a neon, but it's definitely not quiet. So, if you want to be bitchin', but not like in your face bitchin', then bitchin' is your color for the summer. It's honestly so hard to talk about a green and not use the phrase green of envy, but here we go. Fresh to death and hard to miss. A bright in-your-face neon green that will make people happy. Slap it onto all 10 fingers or use as an accent nail for your bitchin' designs. I wanted to add something about green fingers, but I think you get the concept. This muddy turquoise that leans more towards the blue than green is totally tubular. Use it on its own or combine it in true 80s fashion with all the other colors of this collection. A shade that takes your mind to blue waters and beach parties. Growing up in leotards and leg warmers, this definitely brings some memories back. This vanilla yellow is perfect to add more contrast in this 80s collection. Yes, it's all about bright screaming colors, but putting a softer color next to the louder ones certainly creates an interesting and thought-through look. If you're more of a super freak, then this bright coral might fit your mood. A perfect summer color to go both on your fingernails and toes to spice those sandals up. Combined with bitchin' for the ultimate bitchin' super freak style. Big hair don't care. A light carnation pink with a hint of shimmer. A fun and soft bubblegum shade that will go perfect with all types of big hairstyles. Complete this look by applying this on your toes. Put those sunglasses and jean jacket on and let's go to the mall. Here you got a summary of everything that went down in the 80s. Totally fresh to death tubular bitchin' super freaks with big hair and leg warmers. The Forever 80s collection will be available to salon customers everywhere on Friday, May 28th. And you can find it all at letelegance.com or with your closest distributor. And yes, that was me singing with my 80s band star cassette in the beginning. So let's just end the video in the same way as we started. Stay fresh and bitchin'.